Hello everyone, Chief Meteorologist Bryan Hale. Well, we're watching the tropics with intent, and we're watching our local forecast to see if Mother Nature will squeeze out an afternoon shower for us in the next couple of days. Futurecast points to that stalled trough along the southern part of the United States and the northern Gulf of Mexico as one of the key components to draw our tropical low out of the Yucatan north. That's the one solution. The other solution is that the tropical low over the Yucatan would just drift with the prevailing winds and head west. So this solution at least has merit in that that trough is going to hang out, that stationary front you see there, stretching from southeast Georgia back into southeast Texas. We go in a little closer and we can see that, the influence of that low in the subsiding air and drying us out and making us hot and all that is really not going to be that impactful yet. Futurecast still brings us at least a slight chance for an afternoon sea breeze shower on Friday. Keep your fingers crossed for that on through the afternoon. And then again on Saturday, a little bit less so, but still present and accounted for. I think to say that the influence of that tropical low will be diminished, I think is a fairly accurate blanket statement for the forecast in general, and that it's just not gaining a lot of traction in the long-range forecast models or even the immediate forecast models as gaining a lot of strength and definition, at least not now. The tropical snapshot from Africa to the Rio Grande Valley shows our tropical low there slipping into the Yucatan, and also shows two other tropical lows out there in the central Atlantic. But then again, we've got now tropical storm Aaron that's way more than 3,500 miles southeast of Miami out there. It's still forecast to stay together and continue moving as a tropical storm to the west. The green line in the center of the cone denotes tropical storm strength. And again, that goes on through Monday, still way out in the central Atlantic. All right, let's bring it home to the Yucatan and that area of low pressure, which I refer to as the blob, continue to really confound the forecast models. The forecast models, some of them are actually swapping solutions with other models on a daily basis. Case in point, Model A said yesterday it's going to Louisiana, but now Model A today says it's going to south of Tampico in Mexico. Yesterday Model B said it was going to Tampico, but today Model B says it's going to Louisiana. It's just a big mixed up bag of fuzzy solutions as to what this thing will do. And one of the reasons is it just hasn't gained a lot of definition, and now it's creeping over land, so it's just not really letting itself be examined very well by the forecast models. But the trend still puts it as an area of low pressure being drawn northward toward that trough of low pressure over the northern Gulf and extreme Gulf Coast of the United States there, the extreme southern part of the U.S., Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana coasts. Still has it, the common overall thinking has it being drawn north that way. But it also has it being kind of stretched out, pulled out, and not really being much of anything other than a rainmaker for the southern and southeastern United States early next week. We're still partially shielded by high pressure, no matter which way the low decides to go. 7-day forecast has you with that slight chance for an afternoon sea breeze shower in the next couple of days. That's nice. And then a resurgence in sea breeze shower activity once the low is completely out of the picture and we can get back to business as usual. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, Futurecast and other models want to bring in the opportunity for some afternoon showers. Temperatures remain warm, though. That's a look at your 24/7 forecast.